easiest method, which is by using Canva. So for that, first go to your web browser and type in canva.com. And then this window will appear. So here click on video, and then there we can see YouTube intro, so click on that. So here it is, and then if you want you can create a custom one with backgrounds and elements and text and music, etc. But today I am going to create it with a template, so you can choose whatever you want. So I'm just gonna choose this one. Okay, let's see how that is. Oh, just plain, so I don't want that. Something else. This one. Okay, this is better. Let me see. Okay. Oh, you guys didn't see that, right? It looks like this. Oh, this is better. So I'm going to use this one. And now let's. You can change anything here, even these things. See? But I'm not going to change that. I'm going to change the text. And then let's write. Okay, and then if you have a tagline, just write it in. Okay. That's it. Now let's see how that goes. I want to animate the text, so here you can see pan, fade, tumble, maybe tumble. Let's see how that goes. Okay, let's see. Okay, this looks good. And now for the important part, we have to add music. Let's see which one we want. Not that one. No. Maybe this one itself. I'll use that. Yes, I use this one, and now let's see how that goes. Okay, I like this, and now I'm going to download the video. Download. A little bit more, and then it takes this much time because it's a video, not a a picture like a thumbnail. So yes, as you can see there, it's downloaded or getting downloaded. So that's it for today. Please subscribe if you like this video. Bye.